Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Emotion cards are instrumental tools in the educational and therapeutic fields that aid individuals, especially children and those with communication challenges such as autism. These cards help you understand and express many emotions more accurately. Each card carries an image or a description representing a specific emotion, including happiness, sadness, anger, surprise, and many more. The primary function of these cards is to serve as visual aids, catalyzing conversations about feelings and emotions. This encourages the users to identify their emotions, articulate their feelings more clearly, and navigate their emotional landscapes effectively. As a result, the consistent use of emotion cards fosters emotional intelligence and enhances social skills. These cards come in many formats to cater to individual preferences and needs. This includes physical card sets, print-at-home options for those who prefer a touch of personalization, and digital versions that people can access online. At Carepatron, we offer user-friendly digital versions of emotion cards as part of our comprehensive software suite. This allows users to access, customize, and utilize these emotion identification tools seamlessly within our system, regardless of time or place. To use our free emotion cards, follow these steps. Download our emotion cards from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Different variants of emotion cards serve unique purposes. For instance, mixed emotion cards can be invaluable in identifying and understanding complex feelings. Before selecting a specific set, accessing your needs or the needs of the individual using the cards is crucial. The process is simple and flexible. If you choose the emotions cards printable option, you can download a digital file of the cards and print them at your convenience. The core function of emotion cards is to aid children or individuals in identifying, understanding, and articulating their emotions effectively. The cards foster a more profound connection with emotion by associating an image or name with a specific feeling, enhancing self-expression. Post-use, storing the emotion card safely ensures longevity and easy access for future use. Here is a sample of our emotion cards, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our emotion cards, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.